Hello, I'm Beth the Builder, and this week I'm building a bathtub tray. Okay, so in case you don't know what a bathtub tray is, it's a wooden or metal or plastic tray that goes across the bathtub. And then you have a place to like put your wine or your coffee or a candle or your book or whatever. And then you take a relaxing bath. And I take a lot of baths because they're relaxing as And yeah, I figured I'd make a tray for myself. Maybe I'll make more, put them on my Etsy. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm using 3 pieces of 40-inch length, 3/4-inch thickness, scavenged pallet wood. So this is from a pallet that I tore apart that I scavenged from an alley. All right, so besides wood, other things that you're gonna need are gonna be sandpaper, or a sander, some way to sand your wood, some way to cut your wood, some wood clamps, a tape measure, obviously, and a hammer, duh, nails, wood glue. Okay, and then however you want to either stain or paint your bathtub tray. So I've got my stain and finish, but I might also just use a normal stain and then finish it with a polyurethane afterwards, since it is going to be in a damp place that you want to think about really sealing the wood really well so that moisture doesn't get in there. You know, in case you drop it in the bathtub. That would be a bummer. Alrighty, so that's what we're doing. Let's do it. Alright, look, we did it! A bathtub board of my creation and design. So, you got a place for your beer or coffee or whatever. This is a little wine glass slot thingy. It totally doesn't fall out, I promise. I've checked. Here's a little place to put your book or your phone. There's also a little slot here with that. I put a handle over here. It's got all the things. And then on the bottom it says, relax, bitch, because that's what you gotta do in a friggin' bath. And then I ran into a little problem because of the way my tub is. It sticks out here on the other side instead of there being just like an edge to it. So I put some hooks in my bathtub board and I got some shower curtain hooks and some rope and then I tied it together. And now it sits over here and it hangs here. It works very well and it's level, so, you know, nothing rolls off of it. Alright, I'm going to put the plans to this on my website. You can find that link in the description below, as well as all the other places you can follow me. You know, all the places, social media. Check out my Etsy where you can find cool shit that I've created and wood burned and carved and stuff. It's very cool. Maybe you would like to have a piece of Beth the Builder in your home. So otherwise, you know, share this with somebody who maybe will appreciate it or think it's cool. Subscribe. I appreciate all the motherfuckers who have already subscribed. That's like the best. Thank you. I have new videos every Friday and thanks for watching.